Have you ever wondered what it's like to be at the helm of a massive mixer truck, commanding tons of spinning concrete on wheels? Imagine this. Dawn breaks as our protagonist, a seasoned mixer truck driver, starts his day. He's not just a driver, he's an artisan, a symphony conductor orchestrating a ballet of steel and concrete. His day begins with a detailed inspection of his truck, the mixer drum, the water tank, the chutes. Each component must function flawlessly, for he knows that each journey he undertakes is a performance, where precision is key and there's no room for error. Next, the loading process. The raw materials are poured into the drum, a cacophony of sand, water, and cement. It begins to spin, a whirlpool of chaos slowly transforming into a smooth, flowing river of concrete. The transformation is a marvel, yet it's merely the first act of our driver's daily drama. Now, the journey. Our driver navigates the labyrinth of city streets, the mixer drum humming behind him. He battles traffic, tight corners, and ticking clocks. The concrete must be delivered on time, or else it begins to set, and the ballet turns into a battle. At the construction site, the climax. The truck backs into position, the chutes are extended, and the concrete pours. It's a spectacle of power and precision, the raw energy of creation. And at the center of it all, our driver, a maestro conducting an orchestra of iron and concrete. So, as the sun sets and our driver heads home, the city behind him is a little different. It's a little taller, a little more solid. This is the life of a mixer truck driver, a life of challenge, precision, and creation. In summary, this video has taken us on a thrilling journey into the world of mixer truck driving. We've witnessed the unique challenges these drivers face, the meticulous inspections, the precision of loading, the stress of navigating city streets, and the high-stakes drama of delivering the concrete on time. We've seen the artistry and skill it takes to operate these massive machines and the vital role these drivers play in shaping our cities. Driving a mixer truck is not just a job, it's a performance, a ballet of steel and concrete that unfolds on our streets every day. A mixer truck driver's life is not an easy one, but it's filled with the thrill of creation, the satisfaction of a job well done, and the knowledge that they're building the future, one load of concrete at a time.